Slow it down!
Oh, hello. Idiot.
Jesus. Christ, mate. What are you doing?
God knows.
Pushing in. Yeah.
Yeah, I'd do that as well.
Well done, yeah. Stuck in reverse, not sure what's going on there. You're stuck in reverse on Arsehole Avenue roundabout, what are you doing? And what are you doing? What emerge is that?
They're looking at the weather, I think it went indoor barbecue.
Time. Oh, you bell, just pull out, yeah.
That would probably get a tug if it was there.
These footballs, they always exist.
Yeah.
It's not like those just in phase A where it's like, oh, I'll go look
Oh,
for
that was a bit of a last minute.
Oh, particularly in the long.
Wow. That is a whole new level of dickheadery.
What the f***? Wait, you black.
It's with quality for.
Pressure lane bargains.
Yeah.
Boing.
went in and they'd got them all set up. I mean, I've
That was cheeky. Get the Skoda next time, maybe. Who knows? There's a red light run.
They just went for a red light. Dinner.
Still coming with us?
I mean, just park on double yellows. That's fine. 2 of you parks on double yellows. That's it. Oh, what a wonderful place to park. That's it. Good job I've not got a lorry or a fire engine. Are you seriously parking there? I mean, why have 1 space when you can have 2, right? Quality indicators? Is them?
So she's just down to reconcile again. And I think we ought to, when we go back, let's just...
Not going to indicate, was he?
A Rover P5, complete with the Buick engine, 3.5 litre V8, which means it's a P5B, and a first generation Toyota MR2. Now, this is the 59 Chevrolet Biscayne. If you remember the Flintstones and how they went to the drive-in at the end titles, you'll recognise this little invention for the drive-through cinema. Yes, good people. Anybody's guess what this is. It's obviously a home-built pseudo racing car. Obviously very fuel thirsty because you've got to put an extra tank on it. Apparently it has a Yamaha R1 engine on it, and complete with, as you can see, the motorcycle style gear selector. So, for those who are keen on such things, there you go. And now to the ubiquitous VW Beetle. And a Mark I Capri. now to elegance in the shape of a Riley RM. Elegant they most certainly were.
Pikachu.
It looks that way, doesn't it? Okay. Yeah, she's got a Pikachu cap on.
Well, if it makes her happy.
Get out. What are you doing? Just saw that off camera, revving his engine, got right up the arse of the other guy. Santa Claus, what are you doing? Let's see if we can catch up with Santa Claus. So we try and leave Wicks.